Wagwan everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Patrick and this is the Big Up Jamaica channel. Here we talk about all things Jamaica. We will discuss everything from headline news, entertainment, history, music, sports, culture and more. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with all things Jamaica. Today's video will be about the top Jamaican and Jamaican-themed movies. Jamaica isn't just beaches, vibes and reggae music. It's also the backdrop for some of the most unforgettable films ever made. Today, we're showcasing Jamaican and Jamaican-themed movies you need to watch. The Harder They Come. This classic starring Jimmy Cliff is the film that put Jamaican cinema on the map. Following a young man's journey into music, crime, and survival, The Harder They Come introduced reggae to the world with one of the greatest soundtracks of all time. Smile Orange, a comedy with sharp social commentary. Smile Orange satirizes Jamaica's tourism industry through the eyes of a hustling hotel waiter. Funny, clever, and still relevant today. Rockers, part documentary, part drama. Rockers is a love letter to reggae, featuring Burning Spear, Gregory Isaacs, and Jacob Miller. It follows a drummer navigating life in Kingston, a real cultural treasure. Countryman, a fisherman becomes a hero in this action-packed tale that mixes folklore, politics, and survival. Countryman showcases Jamaica's natural beauty while promoting the Rastafarian lifestyle. Clash, set in Kingston's dancehall scene, Clash dives into the chaos of love, gang rivalries, and music during a sound clash. Raw and filled with authentic dancehall energy. Dancehall Queen, a cult favorite. Dancehall Queen follows a struggling vendor who reinvents herself as the mysterious dancehall queen. Expect bold fashion, fire tracks, and unforgettable dance scenes. Third World Cop, one of the highest-grossing Jamaican films ever. Third World Cop is an action thriller about Capone, a Kingston cop who discovers his childhood friend is now a top gangster. Guns, grit, and raw drama. Shtas, arguably the most famous Jamaican gangster film. Shtas follows two friends rising from the Kingston streets to Miami crime lords. Gritty and stylish, it's often called the Jamaican Scarface. One Love, starring Kimani Marley and Shireen Anderson. One Love is a reggae-inspired love story about a Rasta musician and a preacher's daughter, a softer side of Jamaican cinema. Better Must Come, a gripping political drama set during the violent 1970s in Jamaica. It tells the story of a man caught in deadly election warfare, a must-watch for history and politics lovers. Marley, an epic documentary about the life of Bob Marley, his music, his message, and his influence across the world. Marley is emotional, powerful, and essential viewing. Bob Marley, One Love, the latest addition to Jamaican-themed cinema. This biopic brings Bob Marley's rise to stardom and political struggles to the big screen. A fresh take on an immortal legend. Cool Runnings, based on the true story of Jamaica's first bobsled team. This Disney classic is funny, inspiring, and one of the most beloved Jamaican-themed movies worldwide. Yardie, directed by Idris Elba. Yardie follows a young Jamaican man in London caught between music, love, and gang violence. A cinematic bridge between Jamaica and the diaspora. Belly, starring Nas and DMX. Belly may be set in New York, but it's steeped in Jamaican influence, Rastafarian philosophy, reggae elements, and Caribbean culture permeate this cult crime classic. Sprinter, produced by Will Smith. Sprinter follows a Jamaican teen track star chasing his dream while struggling with family issues. A modern classic celebrating Jamaica's athletic pride, perfect for sports lovers and fans of diaspora stories. Dr. No, the very first James Bond film, Dr. No, was filmed in Jamaica, showcasing the island's stunning beaches, lush landscapes, and Kingston streets. It not only launched the Bond franchise, but also put Jamaica on the global cinema map. Marked for Death, starring Steven Seagal. Marked for Death is an action-packed thriller about a cop taking on Jamaican drug gangs in Miami. Featuring real Jamaican actors and culture, it brought Jamaican organized crime into Hollywood spotlight. And that's our countdown of Jamaican and Jamaican-themed movies that bring the island's culture, history, music, and spirit to life. From the reggae vibes of Rockers to the gritty streets of Shtas and international hits like Belly, Cool Runnings, and Dr. No, Jamaica has inspired stories across the globe. Which of these have you seen? And which one is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, big up yourself and walk good. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be instantly notified for new videos on all things Jamaica.